the best. You're rocking with your girl Lex. Life with Lexi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Life with Lexi, or it's your girl Lexi. Today we are going to be making cloud slime and butter slime. So, I never tried this making butter slime before. I never tried it before, and we're going to see if it works today. And I already made cloud slime before. It works, and I am going to split this slime in 3 parts. And I'm going to split it in 3 because I want to have like this regular slime by itself, and I want to have butter slime and magic clay slime. So let's try to split this in 3. So, and also I have some water to do the, let's see if this sticks first. Don't stick, great. So, let's see, we're gonna add more to this if it needs more. So, this could be the instant stove, and this could be, yeah. So this is my regular one. This is going to be my butter one, and this is going to be my instant snow one. So I'm going to start with my instant snow first. My nose is kind of stuck up, but it's okay. So I'm going to put the other ones aside, and these 2. So I'm going to do the Marl Magic Clay first. So I'm going to use this bowl to do the Marl. Not Marl, oh my gosh. I don't want to say Marl Magic Clay because I really want to do that one. I'm going to do this one first. And I forgot. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a little scooper. Perfect. Okay, so I need a, basically, this could be, gotta open. That was pretty easy than all the other ones I did. Okay, so, I'm sorry, my nose is like really stuffed up, but, you know what? I don't want to use this, so I'm not gonna use it. I hope I don't add too much, like. Okay, yeah, that's enough. That is definitely enough. So I'm gonna put this back in. Why is this so hard? Okay, whatever. I don't really know care at this point. So we got that in. So now we need to pour in the water and the magic. Okay, so I want to show y'all. Did y'all see it get bigger? I hope y'all saw that. So I need to add more water for the other things to activate. Not activate, like, y'all know, I think. Well, I hope y'all know. Y'all know. So I think this is, no, I don't think it's enough. Yeah, I don't think it's enough. So not anymore. See, it's still growing. I think y'all know what I mean. Okay, yeah, that's definitely enough. Yeah, that's enough. So I just need to mix it. Well, this is a lot of snow. And there's like barely any water left, so I'm gonna leave that aside. And so I'm just gonna get the slime. Whoa. Okay, so whatever. So I'm just gonna get the slime and put it in there. That's what I'm gonna do. Smells kind of weird. So this is what it is so far. I go to and like tickles in my nose. I don't know why, but it does. Okay, so I'm mixing this together. And it's not snow slime yet. Okay, so look. Y'all look. So this is like, it's feeling kind of different now. It's like a snow slime now. I sound so weird because of my nose. Okay, whatever. So it's getting kind of sticky. even though it was already sticky before, but it's fine. Oh my gosh, I can't do it because of my nails. I don't think I want to add any more because it's like really sticky. But anyways, look, it's so pretty. It got like a really light yellow, so I'm gonna stop from here because my hands are really sticky. And look at my cloud slime. It is so pretty and it feels so like good. But the only bad thing about this slime is that it's really sticky. So I have to head this. Oh my gosh, this feels so good, y'all. I'm gonna activate this later. Oh my gosh, this is and this has, because it's so sticky. If y'all can see, and I think y'all can. I really think y'all can. I'm sitting here crying in my prom dress. I'll be the prom queen. Okay, so there that goes. It got really sticky, but I'll activate it and it's going to be amazing cloud slime. I don't know if y'all can see this because like the balls flipped around, but whatever. So that's the cloud slime. I'm excited because I've never done that before and I don't know if it is going to work because I've never tried it before. So I really have to get all this off my hands. It is obviously really sticky. Okay, so I don't need that incense anymore. But God, it's coming off my hands. And I totally forgot about this sand. So I'm getting it off. I'm sorry if I don't like that noise, but I have to do it for my nose. If y'all can hear it, well, of course I can. Like, so I will activate that later. But it feels really good though. So I'm not touching that until I activate that again. And I think this is how like far it's gonna go because I don't want to waste all my time doing this to get every single one bit of it off. So I love my dad left those scissors in here because I don't know if I'm gonna need them. Okay, whatever. That's all I'm gonna do because I really need to keep going, and I don't need this spool right now. So I'm gonna put it down there. Okay, I really want this all off. I don't have a paper napkin, so this is how far I'm gonna do. So my next one is this one. Oh crap. Almost got, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get all my extra stuff. Whoa. Okay, so this slime is kind of sticky itself. Because like I heard, it makes it less sticky when you add in clay. But obviously this makes it stickier. So make it stickier. But let's see if I can get this open. Looks like not, but hey, I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh, it's working. Please. Oh, that's broke. There's a hole. Oh my gosh, it's open. Yay. Why is this so hard to open? Oh. Oh. I'm not. So I'm going to try to open this. So yeah, I'm going to open this part. Let me feel it. This is very soft. So this is what this looks like. It's very soft. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to try to add this much. Pray to God that this isn't a fail. Okay, I'm really scared if it doesn't work. Okay, if it doesn't work, it's fine. It's fine. I really don't care if it works, but I'm scared. Like, I really hope this turns out. I really hope it turns out. Okay. I'm scared. Hey! Whoa, it's going out pretty good. Like, it's mixing. Well. Can y'all see the clay? I can. Whoa! This feels very good. This feels good. And it's, if you can see, it's making the color lighter. And I think it's working. Oh my gosh, this feels so much better than it was because it was like sticky, but now it isn't. Well, it kind of isn't sticky, but hey. At least it turned out. This is a very good slime. Oh, I want to try to do that thing. So, that thing is like... made a mark. This feels so good. I really like this. Oh, look. Oh, I was wrong. I thought it did something, but it didn't. I really like this. It feels so much better than the other ones. I really like it. I'm proud of myself because this is my first time making butt. Whoa, that is 100 times stretchier and better. Whoa. Like, it's so stretchy. It really wasn't this stretchy before. I really like it. The color's prettier. Well, is the color prettier to you? It's fine, it's fine. Okay, but this is really pretty. I really like it. My first time. It is a success. It kind of looks like just like white, or it kind of looks like orange, but it's like a yellow. It looks like a tan. I kind of don't care right now, but this is amazing. I really love my butterfly. Okay, out of the cloud slime and the butter slime right now, I picked this one. It feels so like better and soft, and I like it. And I don't know if I want to touch that until I activate this again. Just look. So sticky. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. It's like split apart because of the bag. But look at this one. Besides that one. This one's better. And I think it always will be better. Okay, let's try to make a slime swirl. I'm gonna try to make a slime swirl. Okay. 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 Okay, so I'm about to make a slime swirl. That slime swirl was okay. It was okay, but it wasn't perfect. But I hope y'all guys love that video. I did, because I loved making them, and it was really fun. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video so other people do all these other things. And I hope like it made you do it, because like this is like really fun. So like, bye.
Life with Lexi. Life with Lexi.
Sure.
This is life with Lexi. This is life with Lexi. You're rocking with the best. You're rocking with your girl Lex. Life with Lexi.